Welcome back to turn 4. We are standing in front of my brand new truck, our brand new shop project. Gonna happen really quick. I've already ordered parts of this thing. 2020 Ford F150 STX. I got this thing just a few days ago. We've already got the first mod done, more planned, but this is a 5-liter four-wheel drive extended cab truck. We're gonna build up to make a nice street vehicle capable for some off-road trails. Follow along and we'll get this Ford built up sooner than you can imagine. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.